Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to make aloe vera soap. Before starting it, subscribe the channel. The ingredients includes half pear soap, grate with grater, 2 tablespoon aloe vera gel and molds for making soap. The procedure is melt the pear soap in pan. I am using the old pan. When it got melt, add the aloe vera gel. If the soap got hard, mix well in gas stove. When the mixture completely mix, pour it in molds. Let it cool down for some time. After that, put these molds in refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. When your soap is ready, take it out from molds.